Hey, it's Sean Reddy of the Ready Realty Group, Keller Williams in Tampa. Got some extremely exciting news that we are now part of the Keller Mortgage network. What is Keller Mortgage? Well, Keller Mortgage is owned by our parent company, Keller Williams, and is designed to save Keller Williams clients thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars in mortgage costs. So, what that means to you is when you use a Keller Williams agent such as the Ready Realty Group to buy or sell a home, you have access to the Keller Mortgage network. So you have a zero closing cost loan, no origination fees, no appraisal fees, no lender fees. Can literally save you up to $5,000 on the average loan. Obviously, bigger loans will save you closer to $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. That is huge news for our buyers and our seller clients, as our seller clients can reap the benefits as well. How can you access this? Well, the easiest way is to go to our Facebook page, Ready Realty Group of Keller Williams, and just click on the link that we just uploaded that has our branded app. Just download the app. You can get access to listings in actual real time, unlike most of the apps that are out there, and click on the Save Thousands button on the bottom to access Keller Mortgage. Give us a call if you find this to be a benefit to you. We would love to explain more. Take care.